Hi, here's another video. I've got this EUMIG C3 8mm camera, which I've been having a look at the internet, and to show you the actual images here. Comes with a case and handwritten manual. This camera was manufactured in 1948 to 1959. Okay, it's for $12.74. I'm not going to argue with that. I've paid for it, and as you can see here, it's arrived. Just taking out the box. And as stated in the listing, get the rubbish out of the way, you've got the handwritten manual here, and then we've got the actual camera and the case, and you can see the case is falling apart. This, like, the threads just rotted away. I'm gonna have to have a look at that and just get the camera out and just you see the case is in pieces. I'm gonna have to have a look at this later on. You see there all the leather stitch, all the stitching's falling apart, but the case itself is in good condition. Just put that to one side for the minute. Okay, turning back to the camera. It seems intact. It's just sticky to the touch. See all the dials are greasy, so I'm going to give that a clean today. I'm not going to actually put film in and test it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean it with some fairy liquid, because like I said, it's just greasy. It looks like it's been sitting in someone's kitchen somewhere for a while. It's just covered in grease and it's sticky to the touch. So I'm just going to use some fairy liquid and just see if I can get rid of all this grease. So I'm just going to paint it with fairy liquid, trying to avoid the sensitive areas. And I'm just using the stiff brush to scrub it with. And I don't want to damage the actual coating of the paint or the paint itself. You can see me just cleaning the dials. Let's get a earbud just to clean the actual dials itself. Like I said before, I'm just using fairy liquid because harsh chemicals will take the paint and the texture off, and I don't want to do that. You just get this little toothpick just so I get inside the little crevices. See a bit of dirt coming out of there. Inside of there the best I can. And this is the back cover for the door. I'm just going to give that a clean also. Bit of scratches to the paint, but I'm not going to try and make this thing brand new. I want to leave it as it is, but just clean. So you can see me just using a wet wipe just to get rid of some of this grease. There's not much value in these at the moment, average about 30 to 40 quid, but hopefully my grandkids may benefit from it in the future. Okay, so I've got it relatively clean. Let me just show you here. It's a lot brighter now, and I said all the grease is gone. It's not sticking to the touch, and you can see it still operates. But like I said before, I'm not going to try and find film to test it. It's a silent movie camera. Let me just show you inside. We've pressed the button on the back. You see that operates also. So it seems to be in a fully operational condition. Just pop this cover back on. And I'll just turn to the case, which will be a little bit tricky in a minute, but let me just show you the finished item. See, I've got it nice and clean there. Pretty satisfied with that. I'm just going to use it as a display piece and just show you here. Okay, so with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.